Hi Internet, Alan here. I just wanted to take a minute to say that you should not do what I'm about to do. If you do what I do, then you are probably going to cause thousands of dollars of property damage to your own home, your neighbor's home, maybe your friend's home. And if it's not your home, you're probably going to get evicted. That being said, let's go do something that we shouldn't do. This is my adorable puppy. My adorable puppy and I live in an apartment where we don't have access to a faucet to hook up a hose. Sometimes we need a hose to do things like give our adorable puppy a bath. You might need a hose for things like giving your adorable puppy a bath. So what do we do when we have no hose but we need a hose? Simple. We buy some parts from Home Depot and we hot wire our apartment, or water wire our apartment. Let's go. The first thing I'm gonna do when trying to figure out how to hook a hose up to my apartment is find somewhere with water. Easiest place to do that, the bathroom. I've got a shower, I've got a toilet, and in this case, I'm gonna use the sink. All of this has to go. Good news! Well, good news for me, bad news for you. Pizza and wings showed up. We're taking a dinner break. To make this work, we're not gonna need too many tools and we're not gonna need too many supplies. Tools, a couple of adjustable wrenches, some Teflon tape. Most of the supplies are actually plumbing supplies for a sink. Supply line, valve, splitter, and a hose adapter. First, I'm going to turn off the water to the sink. First, I'm going to attempt to turn off the water to the sink. And I'm going to get a towel, because this is probably going to leak anyways. Then, I'm going to remove my cold water. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble my little contraption before I get in there so I don't have to deal with the tight spaces. Okay, so it might have taken 3 wrenches, but here we have our water hot wiring adapter. The T is going to go on my water line to the sink. The valve will turn the water on and off to the hose. The other side of the supply line will thread right onto a hose. Murphy, hand me the wrench. I can't reach it. Murphy, hand me the wrench. Oh, I got it. Don't worry. Keep doing what you're doing. Good girl. Keep your fingers crossed that no water comes spewing out. No leaks. And a flowing sink. Now for the hose trials. Oh, that needs to be tighter. No leaks down here. Water up here. You know, now that we have water, I bet I can do some urban gardening. disclosure, the whole hose idea was not to give my puppy a bath, it was to plant some grass for my puppy so that she has a nice place to potty or frolic or do what puppies do. The plan was not a complete success. I got the wrong adapter and actually hooked the hose screwy on end into the sink, so I need to get a different adapter. But other than that, we're in business. No, that's mine too. No, that's trash. Murray, no. Back up.